This video shows how to separate last name, first name and middle name from the full name. So to do this, we select the data, go to Data tab in Excel, which is already selected, and then we go to Text to Columns, and the dialog box that appears, you can see the name here, and we select Delimited, and then click Next. And in the delimiters, we select comma and space, and as soon as we select these delimiters, you can see here that the last name, first name and middle name are separated because comma and space are our delimiters. So then we click Next. Here we can change the destination cell. So this is now A2, but I want the destination cell to be B2, the last name column. So to do this, we click here and select this cell and click again. And as you can see, the destination cell has become B2. We then click Finish, and as you can see, the last name, first name and middle name are all separated here. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel.